So here in Brazil, if you download the FIFA Plus app, you can watch all the games on your cell phone, which is what I've been doing, such as this game between the US and Holland. So I haven't had my morning coffee, so what I'm going to do is fire up the stove that we have in the Kombi and get something going. Oh, Elci, you want some coffee? I forgot. She doesn't drink coffee. Let's go make some coffee. Coffee in the Kombi. So these little stoves are amazing. You just got to lock it and then you turn it on. It's an automatic turn on and off it goes. We're about 5 minutes from my first cup of coffee. Nothing like the first sip of coffee of the day. You know what I'm gonna do for you, Elci? One of these days I'm gonna cook you a meal. I'm gonna put a chef's hat and I'll cook you something from my days when I lived in Europe. So here is Patricio drinking coffee made by our gardener Boca, but more importantly, take a look at his gambiarra. Look at that. That's his xícara for coffee.
Essa é a famosa gambiarra.
Famous gambiarra. Oh yeah. You know what? Look at that. That is crazy. I love the ingenuity of Brazilian people, right? I mean, whatever they've got in their hands, they make it work. I don't see that in too many other places in the world. I love it. I love it. Be constructing a house and not have small accidents, right?
Yeah.
So this is a relatively small accident, not a big deal.
It's just growing the work of the poor guy because look at that.
Yeah, we're gonna paint the patio, the terrace yellow. Now he's gonna have to clean this up and then paint yellow on top of it.
And then he says, this morning he says, I need to hurry because I have other job that's already ready to go, so I'm gonna go run and do everything, and now he has more work to do.
Had he not said that, this wouldn't have happened. That's just Murphy's Law, right? Murphy's Law, what do you call Murphy's Law in Portuguese? You know, so the rainy season is upon us for the next month or two. And I tell you, I admire these people that are pulling through and working even though it's raining cats and dogs. But the good thing is it's a tropical rain, so it's not cold water. It's actually refreshing and keeps the temperatures down because we're now almost in summertime. So this here is Eugenio from Paraguay, and today he's going to be rooting for Uruguay. Uruguay is going to be playing, I don't know, Ghana? Uruguay contra Ghana hoje. Ghana 6, Uruguay 2. Maybe, mas mais importante é Brasil. Brasil 3, Cameroon 2.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So I was telling Bina, who does all the concrete and tile work, I said, your slope for the shower must pass the marble test. In other words, when I put the marble on the floor, the water has to drain to the drain and there should be no standing water. And he said, I guarantee you that won't be the issue. I'm so happy that this shower passed my marble test. Yay!
Bom dia, feliz sábado. Hoje é dia de adorar o Criador. Ele escolheu esse dia. E eu estou indo falar da palavra de Deus para as pessoas. Adore a Deus também, Ele espera isso de você.
You know, Elci is a true inspiration to me. As you can see, she's getting ready to go to church. She's a devout Seventh-day Adventist Christian. And today she's dressed like a scout. And, you know, these people, to me, are amazing Christians. I've had many friends in my lifetime who are Christians, but these Seventh-day Adventist Christians really inspire me.
Blessed be the name of the Lord. Today is the day to worship Him. He chose that. May God bless you.
You're so beautiful, Elci.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Elci's so amazing. She's preaching today to this congregation. She's never been to this church before. She was asked by people from the church that she normally goes to preach here today. So isn't that amazing? I'm so blessed to have her as my wife. So blessed.
Fica no banco, né? Com a volta do pai e com a entrada do classe no meio do carro.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello, my love.
Did you have a good sermon?
Yes, people was happy.
A gente vê aí, ó, sabe aquela cobertura, né?
You're so awesome, Elci.
Aí nos
Thank you, my love.
do FIFA 2022,
You too.
abertura bonita, tem que ter
Love
uma
you.
tradição.
I love you too.
Aí durante as
You hungry?
partidas,
Yes.
é a
All
Copa
right, let's go.